Hello, English enthusiasts all over the world. This is Mr. Z. Today, we're going to look at a list of 20 C2 level English collocations with their meanings and examples. Let's get started. 1. Incessant chatter, meaning non-stop talking. Example, her incessant chatter made it impossible for me to concentrate on my work. 2. Ruthless ambition, meaning ambition that is without mercy or compassion. Example, his ruthless ambition drove him to achieve his goals at any cost. 3. Bittersweet memories, meaning memories that are both happy and sad at the same time. Example, looking at the old photo album brought back bittersweet memories of our childhood. 4. Eloquent speaker, meaning a speaker who is articulate and persuasive. Example, the eloquent speaker captured the audience's attention with his powerful words. 5. Sheer determination, meaning utter and complete resolve or willpower. Example, it was her sheer determination that enabled her to overcome all obstacles and succeed. 6. Awe-inspiring view, meaning a view that fills you with a sense of wonder and amazement. Example, the mountaintop offered an awe-inspiring view of the valley below. 7. Harrowing experience, meaning an extremely distressing or traumatic experience. Example, surviving the earthquake was a harrowing experience that left lasting emotional scars. 8. Fleeting moment, meaning a brief and transitory period of time. Example, the beauty of a sunset is a fleeting moment, so it's important to savor it. 9. Impeccable taste, meaning exceptionally good taste or style. Example, her impeccable taste in fashion always made her stand out in a crowd. 10. Whimsical sense of humor, meaning a sense of humor characterized by odd or playful ideas. Example, his whimsical sense of humor was evident in his quirky jokes and puns. 11. Unwavering support, meaning support that doesn't waver or change. Example, throughout my career, I've had unwavering support from my family. 12. Genuine concern, meaning sincere and real worry or care for someone's well-being. Example, his genuine concern for his friends always showed in the way he helped them during tough times. 13. Rapid technological advancements, meaning fast-paced developments in technology. Example, the rapid technological advancements in the last decade have transformed our lives. 14. Stark contrast, meaning a clear and noticeable difference. Example, there is a stark contrast between the modern skyscrapers and the historical buildings in the city. 15. Sheer brilliance, meaning unmitigated excellence or intelligence. For example, the scientist's sheer brilliance in solving complex problems earned him a Nobel Prize. 16. Vivid imagination, meaning a very clear and imaginative way of thinking. Example, children often have vivid imaginations that lead them to create fantastical stories. 17. Silent contemplation, meaning quiet and thoughtful reflection. Example, he sat by the lake, lost in silent contemplation of the beauty of nature. 18. Meticulous attention, meaning extremely careful and thorough attention to detail. Example, the artist paid meticulous attention to every brushstroke to create a masterpiece. 19. Intense scrutiny, meaning thorough examination or investigation. Example, the politician's actions were under intense scrutiny by the media. 20. Unyielding commitment, meaning a commitment that is unwavering and steadfast. Example, her unyielding commitment to environmental causes made a significant impact on the community.